The first step is to clean everything that I'm going to be using. I already washed it, so now I'm going to spray it with 70% alcohol, and I want everything covered really well. And then I'm gonna leave it on this tray so it dries out that way. Sorry, this must be noisy. And my plan is to put this underneath here, that way it can catch any alcohol drippings. Now this is to make lotion for my own use. If I had plans to sell it, then I think I will have to follow even more strict procedures. You want everything clean when you're making lotion. Like I just took a shower, I washed my hands. You should even have clean thoughts. No dirty thoughts. Everything clean. And I'm just gonna let this air dry so that when I come home tonight, it'll be dry and ready for me to work on it.